Oh, hey, how's it going today? Oh, I'm just sharpening up. Found some sausages in the freezer. Thought them out last night. These are Johnsonville bratwursts and jalapeno cheddar. I learned the easy way to do old style pickled sausages. First thing it takes. Oh, you hear that? Hear that song? That is a sharp knife. Okay, let's get this bird on the go here. Okay, back in the day, I was told that people just put stuff in vinegar and let it go. I think now we call it fermenting, right? Well, I just did a test run of some sausages, and they have to. My recommendation is get ones that aren't like that don't have a wrapper on them. You know, like smokies are awesome, wieners are really good. Garlic sausage, take the wrapper off, and away you go. But we ran out of them. We ran out of 2 big jars very, very quickly. So what I've got here is, oh, there's one left. Okay, Johnsonville jalapeno cheddar bratwurst and Johnsonville regular bratwurst. Right, just pick them up at your local grocery store in the deli section. What I'm doing is it's going to be a surprise. I don't know which one I'm going to get because I like spicy. You know, y'all know that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just cutting these guys up, and I'm just going to put these guys in the jar. And hopefully all these guys fit in this big jar, and I bet you they will, or they'll come really close to it. I'm not worried about cramming them together, nothing like that. I'm just stuffing them and being on the go. Oh, these things don't open with a bean, eh? Okay, there we go. Oh, I got greasy fingers. Okay, so wintertime's coming. This morning it was frosty, -1. October, you know, we're here. Pool's almost done. We're going to be tearing it down. I've got most of the water out of it now. I'm going to be tearing it down pretty quick here. Got a new star outside for me to show you. I haven't brought her up to snuff yet, but it will happen. And her name is Scout, and she is lovable. I want to do an outside video. Also, as soon as it got cold, the phone rang. And when my phone rings and it's cold, it only means one thing only. The pigs are coming. So I've got a booking from a young lady out in Arborfield who is bringing me 3 pigs, large size, and a lamb. Don't know what I'm going to do with that lamb. Lamb chops? Maybe? Maybe? Rack of lamb, leg of lamb, ground lamb, of course. But that's for another video. That's when I'll be taking you outside, and it's going to be shop videos. We're going to be doing butchering and sausage making and sausage smoking and all that kind of fun stuff. And it gets fun, but it gets busy. And it gets tiring. But you know what? I think I like it. I really do. So, welcome to all the new guys. Clem, thank you very much for joining up. Thanks for taking the time to watch the shows and give comments. Although I would really, really like a lot more comments and thumbs up. Because, I mean, last video I did had 111 views in 3 days. It was awesome. I mean, I got totally stoked up. But the problem is, I got no thumbs up. I mean, I think I got 2 thumbs up on the whole gig. And I was like, what the heck? Well, I guess you guys don't like what I'm doing, eh? Well, it is what it is. And I think I'm going to need more jars. Well, more jars, so shall we get. I don't have any big ones left, though, eh? Where did the big ones go? Okay. Here we go. Let's go with this guy here. And this guy here. Okay, now, I've basically got this one ready to go, right? I could probably stuff some more in there, but I'm not too worried about it. So I've just basically got it loaded up with sausage. Now what I'm going to do is put in 1 cup of hot sauce. Okay. And fill up the rest with vinegar after I put in 1 teaspoon of dill seed. I got this dill seed out at our bulk place. Tanya went and got it for me. Thank you very much, young lady, for getting that for me. And it's easy. Just add a little bit of dill seed. That's to give me the pickle, because I don't have any fresh dill right now. It's the wrong time of season, and stuff like that. So, we're just doing what we're doing, and it seems to work out, And then, I guess I'll finish this, eh? Get sidetracked. Okay, so I've got the 1 cup for the big one. This is 1.5 liters, right? So 1 cup of that, the dill seed, vinegar to cover. Guys, we had a little technical difficulty there. Okay, here we are again. So now, it pays if you have a lid. Okay, I'll show you here. I better see what so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay, it pays if you have a lid, because once you put the vinegar in, the hot sauce will be at the bottom if you did that first, and then vinegar is up top. So if you take the lid and you do this a few times, it stirs everything up, right? Sort of like debubbling. If I was debubbling on, doing a pressure can or something like that. But again, we've got all the stuff chopped up. I chopped up just about 2 more jars of stuff here. These are both jalapeno cheddars. I think I got 1 more jar. Now, if we're going to do it, let's do it, right? We'll do 1 more jar and get rid of all these regular ones. So, did I tell you that Kathy's getting an Esco? Yeah, she's loving it. She actually, she was looking at some of the videos. Kathy. Okay, if you don't know who I'm talking about, you can go back to the day in the life of the school bus driver, and she is my bus buddy. She's been driving a bus forever, and then some. And that's not good. There we go. Try to lose a finger here while I'm doing filming. Although, Greg, if you're watching, you'd probably give me some thumbs up on that one, or fingers up, because I wouldn't have any. So she actually wanted me to look into some stuff for her on the Nesco. And I told her, you know what? Try it before you buy it. I'm not doing any canning right now, because I'm not doing any pressure canning. I'm done my stuff for now. Although, why is it that every time you don't have the piece of equipment that you fall in love with, that you want to can stuff, right? Because these sausages, I was like, oh, well, if I could do, no, those aren't cooked. I can't do those. Oh, I can't do those. So Kathy borrowed mine yesterday. I took it out to her in the morning run. Now, the cool thing is, she's in love with it. Naomi says she got hers a while back. She's been going canning crazy. Remember me the other day, canning absolutely crazy, because everything is cannibal. Not cannibal. I'm not a cannibal. I said everything is cannibal. Get it? Okay, good. Okay, there we go. We are stuffed, fluffed, and ready to rock. Right? So again, I'm going to wash my hands a little bit because I'm slimy. Not slimy, just that stuff from the sausages. Do my hand drying. Okay, so we go. These are a little smaller, so we'll go a little less. A little shot of that. Man, I'm going to need to get myself another. Red Hot, the best thing in the world. You put that on everything, right? That's all I'm saying about that. Okay, now a little less, because these are not quite 1.5 liters. These are like 1 liter. So I'm going to go just a little bit less of the dill seed. Although, if it's a little extra dilly, I don't think that's a problem, is it? It's not in this household. Okay, so we're going to have dill, jalapeno, cheddar, and I don't know how the cheddar's going to react, but it could be cool. Could be a total disaster. You know how our experiments go. And you don't have to worry about headspace, right? I think I already said that. But just make sure everything is covered, like these little guys do the stuff in there. There we go. Now your vinegar is going to kill and keep everything, all the bacteria from growing and stuff like that. So we did the experiment before, and they were on the counter for 3 weeks. Bang! They were just awesome. I'll get my little raggy. I'm not going to get it wet. I'm just going to make sure there's no stuff on the rims, right? And then see if I got lids for these guys. I don't know if I do. I might have to do some finding here. Oh, come on. Oh, there's one. There's for these guys. Excellent. Oh, that's one right there. Okay, excellent. We have lists for these guys. Just got to put some rings on them. Okay, remember what I was saying about it's good to have a lid? This is why. Okay, do you see? Here, I'll see if I can do this. There we go. Okay, you see how this is all buffalo down here? And that's kind of vinegary. So you put the lid on. Just a few times, give it a shaky shake. Right, remember you got the lid on. And all you're doing is just mixing up the brine. Because basically all this is brine sausage. Huh. Well, I'm going to have to get some rings for those guys and get them done up. All right, so this was the very easy way to do brine sausage. Now, I'm going to let, as I said, I'm not going to worry about the sealing or anything else. I might put them just in the bev cooler. I got some room in there. I'll just throw them in there just because it's wintertime. The furnace is on. It can get a lot hotter in here. You know what I mean? And if it's in a hot spot, just to be safe, right? I would safely say that you could probably keep these in the fridge for at least a year because they'd be less volatile than pale pickles. And pale pickles, I know you can keep in the fridge for at least a year. So we'll go with at a 1 quart or 1 liter, we're going to go 3/4 cup, so about 175 mils of buffalo. My favorite, of course, Red Hot, the best, the one, the only. Right on. Oh, shall we do the shameless plug? And today is brought to you by Red Hot. No, it's really not, but I want to say that just to make it look all positive and perspective. This is Red Hot. This shit goes on everything, right? There it goes. Okay. So you need, so for the 1 liters, 175 mils of Red Hot, and then top it up with vinegar with just about a little bit of dill seed, and away we go. All right. This is going to be a short one, guys. I might do an ad to, but I'm not sure. But this is Todd from Ask Todd saying thanks for coming in. Thanks for hanging out. Try it. Let me know. Right? Oh, by the way, if you had hard-boiled eggs, put the eggs in here too. Just put them in the cooler. Right? Then you have eggs and sausage. Oh, I got to show you one more thing. Dill beans. They are awesome. These I did water bath style. It's basically vinegar, pickling spice. I'll do a video if you guys want to know what that's all about. You let me know. I'll do a video on that one. All right. So on that note, pickled beans are awesome. I gotta do the thing. Can you hear the crunch? I gotta go tootle off my little lamb now. Oh yeah. That's stuff, man. Oh yeah. Okay. Guys, have a great day. Say hi to somebody, shake somebody's hand, give them a pat on the back, give them a high five. Do something to show the love and get it out there. We have a provincial election coming up. Go Mo. Because, I mean, he's the only guy who's got common sense. And those NDP guys, they're hanging out with Jagmeet Singh. We know how that's going to go. Right on? So, talk to y'all later. Have a great day. Keep smiles going. Keep the guys guessing. On that note, this is Todd from Ask Todd saying, see you next time. Remember when I said there might be an ad to? There's an ad to. Okay, these are not sealed, right? So I can take this, put it on top, push the button. It is a mason jar vacuum sealer. And that's it. Let it do what it does. Now remember, these are not sealed. They don't need to be sealed. They're going in the fridge, right? So here we go. It takes 30 seconds every time it does it. You can adjust the time up and down. This is excellent if, say, you're doing pasta, flour. What's our latest one we did? Trail mix. Put it in the jar, sealed it up. 3 weeks later, it tasted like it was just the first day it was made. We did corn chips, same idea. I did crackers, same idea. So you put them in a jar, seal them up like this, and that's it. You're done. Take the top off. Oh, and there it is. Sealed. Right? No, I'm just going to put this in the fridge anyway. But I thought that was a great little attitude. Again, that is a mason jar vacuum sealer. There we go. Amazon, I think they're like $20. Check them out. It's a great little attitude, and it really saves your dry goods are as good as they were the day you bought them when you use this. I mean, it is freaking crazy good. All right. So have a good day, guys. Sorry about the attitude, but I had to do it.